this issue of that burglary of the Cavalier dressing room at Sabina Park in the Link Cup final to pass. The second time in 2 seasons that a football team had their dressing room robbed at the cricket Mecca. And we hear people talking about this is unfortunate. No, this is carelessness. Securing a dressing room at a football venue is a basic fundamental. It's not rocket science. So all this talk about increased security, we're talking about a dressing room, not an entire stadium. The dressing room has 1, maximum 2 entry points, and the doors can be locked. So all you need is 1 competent, strategically placed security officer. He could be stationed in the middle of the dressing room. So it's not about numbers. If 6 armed security guards are assigned to that dressing room, and all 6 of them end up and watch the match instead of watch the dressing room, the burglars will continue to have a field day. Anyway, desperate times call for desperate measures. Get beryllium, become security. Get beryllium, become security.